you're like me, your favorite makeup is likely broken from overuse. So I tried to keep it together with tape, but it's not ideal. So I came up with this idea that maybe you can use too. So I found this box my kids used to play with, finger painting kit, but you can use anything that is similar. The makeup is fine, it just needs to be stored better. I have these nail stickers that are left over from the nail kit that came with, and I thought, why not make my own palette with these stickers? I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna attach the nail stickers because they hold my nails together when I put them on, and they should hold my makeup palette to the little aluminum tin can I have there. Just attach it to every corner and go for it. It should stick on pretty well. So I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eyeshadow. I did have to clean this one a little bit better and attach it the same way. So now the same thing for my other favorite brown eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it. It doesn't really matter. Those nail stickers work pretty amazingly, but whatever you want to use, glue gun, go for it. So now I have my own little makeup palette. Customize it however you want. You lost a lid, which happens to me all the time. Put it in there. Whatever you use the most, put it in there so it's all in one place and ready to go. I hope you love this idea.